When choosing a rug for the bedroom, both the room and bed size should be taken into account. You can choose to place a rug entirely under the bed and nightstands, only under a portion of the bed, or to line the sides of the bed with runners. If you'd like to fill the room with your rug, choose an 8 by 10 foot or larger rug and center the bed and nightstands with all legs on the rug. You should have about 2 feet of rug extending beyond the bed, or just enough room to place your feet when you get out of bed. If you have attractive flooring but want to add some cushioning for comfort, tuck a 6 by 9 foot rug under the bed just up to the nightstands so that only the lower 2/3 of the bed sits on the rug. Alternatively, if you have wall-to-wall carpeting and are just adding a rug for some color or texture, tuck a 5 by 8 foot rug under the bed so that only the lower third of the bed sits on the rug. A more budget-friendly option to provide softness underfoot is to line runners on each side of the bed. You can place the runners completely under the nightstand, or go with a shorter 3 by 5 foot rug placed a few inches in front of the nightstand on each side of the bed. The rug or runner should be a bit wider than your nightstand. No matter which option you go with, the addition of a rug pad will help keep the rug from bunching and wrinkling. For more great tips and inspiration, visit surya.com/rug-guide.